Hey, what's going on? Thanks for checking out the channel. Today I am dropping a video talking about personalization for your Windows PC. So check it out. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, definitely consider subscribing. Hit the like button, let me know. And any comment, love to chat with you guys. So hope you guys are having a great time and let's go. Yo, what's going on? Thanks for checking out the channel and the vid today. Today I'm going to be walking through just a quick little tutorial of how to personalize your PC. I'm running a Surface Book 2, but this will work for any Windows 10 PC. And Windows updated their theme settings, so it allows you to get a little bit more personal with it. I don't know how to say that. A little bit more detailed, a little bit more custom, whatever you want to say. So anyway, let's go check it out. Easiest way to get there is you can hit down in the bottom right to your settings button. You can go to all settings if you like. One of my favorite things for the power users out there, click the Windows key, start typing in settings. A little faster, a little pro tip. And then come up here to personalization. For even faster results, you can even type in Windows personalization or even theme. Anyway, drop that in the notebook. So, I'm a huge believer of design and personalizing things because I feel like it helps you get excited to do whatever you want to do. Whether it is playing sports and writing on your shoes, which I definitely did in high school, or in this case, just making your desktop and your theme and the colors kind of your style. For me, I feel like I like to theme out my desktop based off the seasons. So during the fall, I love the fall colors, which you can notice right now. This is what I'm rocking. Now, I live in Utah, so we just barely got a ton of snow. It's been snowy. The mountains look nice and blue and white. So I think I'm going to check it to a blue snow type theme for the winter. So let's check it out. So when you get here to personalization, the first thing you want to do is go to themes. If you do any of the other things like colors and light or dark, and then you choose a theme afterwards, it's going to mess it up because everything's based off the theme first, and whatever those defaults are, then you can go customize it. So I'm going to head down here and hit up these snowy blue mountains, which looks cool. So once you choose a theme, you can kind of see some things up here, how many images are associated with it, the color that comes default with this theme. Sounds is pretty Windows default. This was made by Microsoft, and then the cursor. Once you choose a theme, then you can bounce over here to colors. And this is where you can start playing around and diving into some details about it. Everything that's chosen here is based off the theme type. So this color, custom, is the blue color you see up here. You can change this to be dark if you'd like, which just changes everything to dark, as you notice here. Or you can change it to light, which changes everything to light. I've been rocking dark mode for a little while, so I think I might bounce to this light look. It looks pretty cool. There's this transparency effect button you can click on, which you notice down here where it changes to transparent to just a solid block. It's kind of cool. I like the transparency effect, so I'm going to keep that on. Then the next thing is you can come down here and choose your accent color. So you can have it default and choose based off the background here. Or if you want to go choose your own and make up your own, I've been kind of going for this navy bluish type color. These are the recent colors I've been playing around with. You can come down here and choose a standard color or go create your own custom color. Let's dive into this. This is cool. If I can get there. So this pulls up a custom accent color picker, and then you can move this around. And I want to go for like a dark blue. Now, if you move this down too far, it's going to show you that it's hard to read. Now, in my light mode, that's not really the case. I'll show you something though. You can also type in the different codes if you have those. I'm going to go with this guy. Done. And here's my new color. Now, if I were to go to dark mode, it's going to change the setting a little bit because there are some settings that make it a little bit more difficult to read. So if I come in here and choose my custom color, it's going to say this color looks like it might be hard to read. And that is true in some instances. I don't mind it, so I'm going to keep with it. Scroll down here. Now, these are just some accent colors on different surfaces. So if I choose this dark mode or the light mode, it's automatically going to change the taskbar and then also the start menu into a dark background color. If I come down here and choose that I want the accent color to go with the start and the taskbar and the action center, it's automatically going to flip those, which is kind of a fun little highlight. I don't particularly love this setting with dark mode. I think it's cool with light mode. And then also down here, which I rarely use this option, but you can also choose to have that accent color roll with the title bar and then the Windows borders. I'll show you what that looks like. Right here, you can see the title bar is now that same color, which I'm not a very huge fan of, especially in dark mode. But that's just me. You guys run it however you want. So once you get all these things chosen and picked, if I come back here to custom, then this is just where it is going to ask me. Now, if you notice, before we changed the theme, this was light, and then this was, I think, dark. Is that right? No, maybe this was dark and this was light. So you can get back to that, or you can actually go choose it. I think this is what it looked like, right? And this is what it looks like with the light mode. It's kind of cool with the white background and everything. You can see on the Windows File Explorer. This looks pretty cool. If I bounce this, it updates here. I still don't like that very much. Just looks a little, I don't know, a little chintzy or something. But yeah, that's it. That's how you change your colors and get this thing. For now, I think I'm going to run with this light look. And yeah, if you do the light, then it doesn't allow you to actually do the taskbar. You'd have to actually come up here and do the custom color and then go choose that. But you can see that there is the highlight of your accent color that you're choosing. So anyways, whatever feels good for you. But I'm going to rock this winter wonderland look for a little while. I think it looks pretty cool. Last thing I wanted to show you is if you go to the background, this is how you choose kind of what's showing up here on the desktop as far as a picture goes. I always have mine set to the slideshow. You can use a solid color if you like and go choose that. Or you can just have it be a picture. This will just choose the standard one from the theme. Or you could go browse and fill it to whatever you'd like. So whatever you'd like on that. I'm going to run with the slideshow. Here's some different settings. I don't really mess with these, but it's up to you. And I think that's all I really got to show you. This lock screen setting is actually pretty cool. I always choose a Windows Spotlight just because it shows different things and different backgrounds from different places around the world, which I think is pretty cool. But you can update those to go do either a static picture or a slideshow of an album that you can choose. You just choose a folder and then it runs through that. And then you can also set some of these customizations where you can choose detailed status with one app. I usually use the calendar. And then I don't go too crazy with these. I usually just keep it with 3, the mail, alarms, and Microsoft To Do. A couple of my favorite apps I like to run. You can also set your screen timeout settings. If you click on this and come in here and designate what you want it to do, if it's on power or if it's on battery, when it's sleeping, when it's powering off. Very important to know where that's at. You can also see the screensaver settings. This bounces back into the old school view of things. So I don't usually get into this very much. I don't use a screensaver. It just bounces to this Windows Spotlight picture and locks up before the screen will turn off. So anyway, that is all I want to show you guys. Hope you guys have fun personalizing your PC. It's pretty easy. A lot of you have probably already done it already. If not, definitely check it out. And thanks for checking out another video of mine. Please subscribe, hit the bell, because that will let you know when I drop other dope videos about fun tutorials and other things that I'm doing. And please go check out my social media. I'll be doing a lot more fun postings on that and just getting the different conversations around certain things, like fun quick shares about everything tech, Windows, Microsoft, Google, all those other fun things. Those channels are at Trevor Sean 12. Sean with the SEAN 12. So I'm excited. Thank you guys again, and hope you guys have a great night. Love you. Peace out.